Hello and welcome to another engaging episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, your host and the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of maintenance and reliability. Throughout this video, you'll learn about the critical role of data quality in maintaining systems, the importance of strategic planning, and how to avoid common pitfalls in the field. We have the pleasure of discussing insights from Ricky Smith, a seasoned expert with a rich journey in maintenance and reliability. So, let's get started. Ricky Smith's journey in maintenance began in the U.S. Army, transitioning through roles at Exxon and Alamex, and even serving as a maintenance company commander in Iraq. His diverse experiences have solidified his belief that maintenance fundamentals are universal, no matter the location. In this episode, Ricky emphasizes the critical role of data quality in maintenance. He points out that many organizations fail to utilize their computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS, fully. A common mistake is not recording all work into the work history, which hampers the ability to track failures and maintenance effectiveness accurately. Ricky also highlights the importance of maintenance planning and scheduling. He notes that a maintenance planner should focus solely on future work, leaving current issues to the maintenance supervisor. This clear separation ensures that maintenance efforts are both proactive and strategic. Discussing the journey to achieving world-class maintenance standards, Ricky shares his experience at Alamex Mount Holly, which was transformed into a model facility under stringent data quality and process discipline. This transformation was not overnight, but a result of meticulous planning and execution, emphasizing that the condition of employment was contingent on all work being logged into the CMMS. On the topic of reliability, Ricky defines it as meeting the functional requirements of the end user or asset. He stresses that both asset reliability and process reliability are crucial for overall success. His approach includes focusing on predictive maintenance and condition monitoring to preemptively address equipment issues before they lead to failure. Ricky also discusses the common challenges in maintenance and reliability, particularly the lack of repeatable procedures. He advises new leaders in the field to develop and adhere to clear, detailed procedures to avoid recurring failures. For those looking to further their knowledge in maintenance and reliability, Ricky recommends attending conferences like the SMRP or the International Maintenance Conference. These gatherings are invaluable for learning best practices and networking with other professionals. In conclusion, Ricky Smith's insights remind us that effective maintenance and reliability are built on a foundation of disciplined data management, strategic planning, and continuous learning. His advice is a call to action for maintenance teams to adopt a proactive, informed approach to their work, ensuring their operations are both efficient and effective. And that wraps up our episode. Thank you for joining us today. We've discussed the importance of data quality, strategic planning, and continuous learning in maintenance and reliability. Remember, being proactive and informed is key to your success. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and visit upkeep.com for more resources. Once again, thank you for watching and see you in our next video.